In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine torque strut mount on your Nissan Altima. It's located on the right side of your engine, right here. First, we're going to use a jack, a floor jack, and a piece of wood placed on top where the jack goes up. You're going to push the jack under your car and find the oil pan. Make sure the wood is where the oil pan is. You don't want to hurt the oil pan. You want to position the wood so it's not going to hit this plastic cover. You may need a smaller piece of wood. Do what you got to do. You're not going to be jacking the oil pan up. You're just going to be supporting it, supporting the engine for when you take the mount out. So you're just going to put a little tension on it. I'm going to take this cover off just to get it out of my way with a 5mm Allen wrench. There are 3. 1, 2, and 3. All right, once you get that off, you can set that off to the side. All right, so now we're gonna put an 18mm wrench here, and we're gonna crack that loose, take it out. All right, once you got it started, you can go to your ratchet wrench if you have one. It's pretty hard to fit a socket in between here. And now I'm going to go to this one right here, same size. So now we're going to move this reservoir out of the way so we can properly get a socket onto this bolt. So pull that out, and as I'm doing that, I'm going to put some sort of a pry bar under, and I'm going to push the reservoir up with the pry bar as I'm holding that out. Like that. And now you can just push this a little back so you can get to this bolt. Sometimes I put a little bungee cord in to support it. All right, so now that we have this out of the way, we are going in with our 18mm socket and finishing taking this out. Okay, so now we're going to take these bolts out, and then we're going to slightly lift this up just to get this bolt out. These are 13mm. So I'm going to crack it loose. Okay. Okay, so now we've taken out those. I'm going to take my pry bar, and I'm going to pick that up a little bit. You can angle this bolt and just slip it out. There we go. So now we have this other bolt to take out and the mount. There we go. Might have to finagle it a little bit. Take it out. And then I like to compare bolts just to make sure that the same length and the threads go up just as high on both. All right, so now it's time to reinstall. I'm going to slide the new part in. Make sure everything lines up. All right, so I'm going to get my pry bar, and I'm going to slide it under like I did before to get it out. I'm going to prop it up slightly, get my bolt, put it in at an angle, start it by hand so we don't cross thread. I'm not going to tighten it all the way down until I get my other bolt in. And I'm going to take my other bolt. And so just to be clear, this hole is elongated, so it allows you to move the mount around, and this hole is not. So when you put it in there, it allows you to go back and forth so you can able to find the hole on the other side. All right, just get your 18mm All right, I'm not going to tighten it down too much because we are going to be torquing these. I'm going to get my 18mm ratchet wrench. Okay, and now we are going to torque it to 30 foot-pounds. So I'm going to be using an 18mm crow's foot to torque this. Otherwise, you really can't get much else in there unless you take off this whole cowl area. So I set it to 30. I'm going to tighten it till we hear the click. And there you have it. All right, so now we're going to torque this to 30 as well. All right, you're there. Now I'm going to put my 13mm back in over here. Okay. Finger tight first. So these 13mm bolts will be torqued to 26 foot-pounds. There we go. There we go. All right, moving on. Now we're going to put this back, the reservoir, unhook our bungee cord. And we're going to snap it back into place. Just slide it down, push. Much easier going back in than taking out. All right, so now all we have left is to put this cover back on. You're going to line up the holes, start them by hand. Make sure you get all 3 bolts in before you start tightening anything down. So you have room to move it. Need 2. I'm just going to tighten it. Just snug. And there you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.